Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig video, and the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys is from WowAfrican. Now I'm just going to show you what comes in the box just in case you're unfamiliar. So the wig that I have is style TLW23, and this is a 360 wig. So here's what it looks like freshly washed. I already cut the lace off, but I figured why not show the process, because I was trying something different and we'll see how this goes. But this is pretty much what the wig looks like. The density on this wig is 150, which is really nice. I think the wig has just the right amount of hair. It does come pre-plucked, but that's just what the hairline looks like. I didn't really do anything with the hairline but cut the lace off and then part it down the middle. Now next I'm going to do the lacy way of bleaching your knots. I'm basically just gonna bleach where I have it parted at, because I think I'm only gonna wear it in the middle part, but of course if that changes I can, you know, bleach the other sections. So I think I left this bleach on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So here's what it looks like after. It is flesh tone, and I did kind of pluck the parting down the middle. So yeah, now here's the fun part. I don't know who I thought I was. I thought I was Peak Mill or Tiara, but clearly I'm not, you guys. I thought this was such a great idea, and it was, but I'm just for certain now that I think my floor is uneven, because there's no way that every time I cut some hair it's just not right. There's just no way. So we're gonna go with that. Now my cut is uneven, as you can see. Of course I could have went for one of those, you know, lopsided bobs, but that's not the look I was going for. So I'm gonna end up having to take the wig to my mom so she can fix it and cut it properly. So we're just gonna, you know, move on. I did dampen the hair. I didn't rewash it. I just dampened it so I can blow dry it straight, because for some reason I thought if I blow dried it, it would look better, but it really didn't. It looked exactly the same. So yeah, I just blow dried it straight, and then yeah, now we're gonna watch me put it on and style it. So of course, if you don't want to use any adhesive or, you know, the got to be gels, you can add an elastic band, and that'll just make your wig lay super flat, which is what I did. Now before I even showed you guys the first step, I played with this wig a couple weeks ago and actually cut some baby hairs, as you can see, like the very top, because I was gonna, you know, slick them to the side, but I decided to not do that and I just, you know, ignored them. So this hair is the Brazilian natural wave, and you guys, as you saw, it did have a slight wave to it after I showed you what it looked like wet, and this hair is really pretty. It's super soft. It blow dried really pretty. Like if you wanted like a natural look and a super bone straight sleek look, I would definitely just go ahead and blow dry it straight and call it a day. But today I'm using my curling wand and I'm just throwing a few random curls in my hair, because I really wanted that beachy wave, or you know, that I just got about bed and this is what my hair is looking like today look. So that's all I'm doing. So yeah, this is what the finish looks like. We're just gonna pretend the back doesn't exist because it's hella lopsided back there. But yeah, you guys, absolutely love this wig. I think the hair texture is amazing, the fit is amazing, the style is cute. Of course, you don't have to cut it like I did, you can just get a shorter length, but I think this is just the perfect everyday wig. Now if you guys are interested in Wow African, I will have a coupon code down below because they are having 20% off all their wigs for Black Friday, and they're also having a giveaway, so I'll be sure to list all that information for you guys. And yeah, this concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.